Hi, my name's Alan Avis. I'm with Elite Industrial Sale. Today, I'd like to go over our saw guides and describe each one and what size range it will do and do a demo for you. We have three sizes: our 1500 saw guide, 3000, and 6000. The 1500 goes from 1/2 inch to 1.5 inch pipe. Our next size, the SG3000, goes from 1.5 to 3 inch, and our next size is the SG6000, which goes to 2 inch to 6 inch. They're all built about the same, just different in sizes. Some of the features is you have your clamp for opening up to go around your pieces of pipe. You have your adjustment for going up and down and tightening on the tubing to make it secure. And then you have your saw guides, which is made out of a hardened stainless steel and will help guide the saw blade down to give you that true straight cut that you're looking for. It's easy to put in a piece of tight pipe if you're just sitting it in. It can be as putting it in and tightening it down. All three sizes work on the same principle. So next I'd like to go and show you a demo of our S3000 saw guide. We're going to go ahead and do a demo using a Porter band saw. It fits nice and snug, fits into it. Turn it on. And it's easy as that as cutting your piece. And if we take it off and let you see it, see how it gives it a nice even cut. Nice and square. So that is how our saw guide works. If you have any type of questions, please feel free to give us a call at 916-939-3400. And thank you again.